Delicious homemade beef kofta with rose milk, easy iftar and Ramadan special recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we'll be preparing a mouth-watering dish for iftar and Ramadan, homemade beef kofta paired with refreshing rose milk. This recipe is not only delicious but also affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive right into it. Segment 1, Introduction to the recipe. Before we jump into the kitchen, let's quickly go through the ingredients you'll need for our homemade beef kofta and rose milk. Ingredients for beef kofta. 1. 500 grams ground beef. 2. 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. 3. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 4. 1/4 cup fresh parsley, finely chopped. 5. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 6. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 7. 1 teaspoon paprika. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. Ingredients for rose milk. 1. 2 cups milk. 2. 2 tablespoons rose syrup. 3. 1 tablespoon sugar. 4. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. 5. Ice cubes, optional. Segment 2, Preparing the beef kofta. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start with the beef kofta. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground beef, chopped onion, minced garlic, fresh parsley, cumin, coriander, paprika, salt, and pepper. Use your hands to mix the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring that all the spices are evenly distributed throughout the meat. If you want to add a kick of spice, you can also include a pinch of red chili powder. Once the mixture is well combined, it's time to shape our kofta. Take a small portion of the mixture and form it into an elongated shape around the soaked wooden skewers. Repeat this process until all your kofta skewers are ready to be cooked. Segment 3, Cooking the beef kofta. Now that our kofta skewers are ready, let's cook them. You can either grill them on a barbecue or cook them in a pan on the stove. Cook the kofta for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until they are evenly browned and cooked through. The aroma is incredible, and the flavors are sure to make your iftar extra special. Segment 4, Preparing the rose milk. While the kofta is cooking, let's move on to preparing our refreshing rose milk. In a jug, pour 2 cups of milk. To this, add 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Stir the mixture well until the sugar is completely dissolved, and the rose syrup is evenly distributed. For an extra chill, you can add a few ice cubes to your rose milk. Segment 5, Plating and Presentation. Now that our beef kofta is perfectly cooked, and our rose milk is ready, it's time to plate up and enjoy this delicious iftar meal. Arrange the kofta skewers on a serving plate, and you can garnish them with some fresh parsley for a vibrant touch. Pour the refreshing rose milk into a glass, and you're all set to break your fast with a delightful feast. Segment 6, Closing. There you have it, our homemade beef kofta with rose milk, a perfect iftar and Ramadan special that's both delicious and budget-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes, and leave a comment down below if you tried this recipe or if there's anything else you'd like us to make. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak, and happy cooking!